My name is Dinesh Yadav. I'm an application specialist at PolyWorks India. So in this station, in the first station, we are showcasing PolyWorks Modeler, where you can convert your scan data physical part directly into a CAD model, and that CAD model will be editable in any CAD software. In this station, we are showcasing the powerful capabilities of PolyWorks Inspector, where we have created a program on CNC CMM, and it will automatically create the tool path where the machine travels and check everything without any collision. So it automatically identifies wherever the probe goes and collide, and it will change the path automatically. In this station, we are showcasing the powerful tools of PolyWorks Inspector for scanner and probing. So if you see in the scanning world, the traditional method for alignment is where you scan the part completely. You have to complete the entire scanning and then you do the alignment. But here we are showcasing automatic alignment, where just you have to do a single pass on the physical part and it will automatically go and sit on your CAD model. So auto alignment is what we have came up with in this Simtex. So this is a centralized station where all the data, like this light, it is coming from the other side. This light and this light, it is coming from all the devices and going to a centralized database. Here we are showcasing DataLoop, your centralized database for all your 3D measurement report that can be converted into a 3D database by using DataLoop, and that result will be a trustworthy to make a better decision in a reliable and very easy way that can be trusted and taken decision very quickly.